Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm in the field. I don't know which field is this. Even I am working here with my cousin. As you can see behind me, he's my cousin brother. Yes, you can see the sunset. The sun going to be hide very soon. And here is very greenery. Everybody farming here. So finally today I decided to visit my farming area. So now I'm in the farming area and enjoying the moments. Yes. So now me and my cousin moving ahead in the villages forest. Oh my god, I saw a dog here. What is dog doing here? I'm sorry, but I can think that this dog finding his beach. So this is the paddy field. I'm standing on the edge of this paddy field. Woohoo! I saw a spider here. I think this spider dancing here. So how my village looks like from other side, I will show you. You can see my village from the back side. My village looking like this. Some kids playing here. He is beating each other. He is throwing stones to each other, right? This kid is smiling and subscribe my YouTube channel.
The next day,
Finally guys, it's morning. Now I am going to buy some fruits for me from the local market. I have this 200 rupees in my hand. Now I am going to buy some fruits from the local market. The air flowing very beautifully. I am approaching very fast to my local market. As you can see, my local market is very close to me. Finally, I'm at the store of the fruits and I am buying bananas. There you can see multiple types of fruits. Finally, I bought bananas. You can see the bananas are in the plastic bag. Now I am going back home. Here you can see the bananas are in the plastic bag. Anyway, I love to enjoy the weather. The breakfast has been done. Now I am going to throw this peel into the dustbin. Let's go. Here you go. The two kids are coming from the street. I will ask you stop. I will ask you some question. In which class do you study in? So guys, they doesn't know because they all are kids Indian and Indian people doesn't use English when they speak because our first language is Hindi. That's why some people are not able to speak English. What teachers and sirs in the school study about English. Kids and children are not interested to learn English. That's the reason, because people think the English is very hard, but actually this is not. So it's time for lunch. Now I am going to have lunch and I am going to eat traditional food of India. As you can see, this is simple rice. We love to eat this type of food. The lunch is over and I am working after the lunch, but it's getting very hot. As you can see, it's the middle time of the day. The sunlight is very high. The children are heading from the school. The classes are over. As you can see guys, behind me, the children is standing behind me. The children heading from the school at 2 p.m. and it's very late for the children because the children attend the class in the morning 7 o'clock maybe. So let's try to ask something to kids. Do you know English? What's your favorite color? The children looking at my face. Children thinking what I am talking about, because these children study in Hindi medium school. If you want to peaceful life, then you must move to the village, because village is the very relaxable and very charming and very clear and very shining place. What in the village there is no more facility as cities. What the village is beautiful place to live. The half day has passed and I am laying on the bed. Who left this buffalo? I am giving this peel to the buffalo. Here you go. She's eating right now. Oh, she ate. Why she's dancing? Oh my god. What is she doing? Oh no. She wants to enter in my home. So I just gave peel to the buffalo and buffalo was dancing. I don't know why. This is my friend Kitty. As you can see, she is eating right now and when I was in the home, I come to roam in my villages area because these places are very silent and we can move anywhere in these areas. No one can look at you. These old trees are bending due to heavy wind. I think yesterday a storm came here. I'm not 100% sure, but it can be the reason, of course. So basically guys, this is actually hard to speak in English for an Indian. If this is not your first this language. This is looks like a cage. What? This is not a cage. This is a dustbin. Yes, people throwing garbage in this cage. Now it's night and I'm having the dinner right now. And what my mother cooked in the dinner? I show you guys. My mother cooked chicken. This is looking very delicious. Wow. So I am going to have dinner right now because I am full of appetite. Okay, let's meet after dinner. Finally guys, the dinner is over and I am walking after the dinner because this is very essential to walk after the dinner. It's going to keep your digestion system well. The time has been 10 o'clock in the night. There is no one in the village. Everyone went to sleep. I am the only walking right now. I think I have to sleep too because it's getting late. Let's go to sleep. Okay, bye.